Okay, tonight I made crawfish etouffee. You're gonna need some rice, some corn, some crawfish tails, some diced bell peppers, some crescent rolls or biscuits, Cajun Etouffee Base, your seasonings, everything that you see here. Garlic powder, onion powder, boom. Get you a pot or a skillet. You're gonna use 1 stick of butter. Put your bell peppers in there. Let that simmer down, cook down. Now you're gonna add your crawfish etouffee base. You're gonna mix all this in. And you're going to have your heat on low as well, and just make sure it's not clumpy. This is going to be your roux somewhat. And then 2 cups of water. You can add more if you like, depending on your consistency that you would like. So add that. Then you add in your crawfish tails. You're going to season it with your onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, Cajun seasoning, and your spice and herb seasoning. See? Yeah, all that. And then you're going to simmer this, let this cook down for 20 to 25 minutes. You could do it for longer. So the corn, I let it come to a boil. I added like a 1/2 stick of butter in there. That's just how I do it. Put it in there. Then I season it as well while it's in there. Cook it to your liking. That's all I did for that. Now let's go over here and check. Boom, rice. 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. Rice should look like this every motherfucking time. Promise you it's going to be good. Boom. Let's check on the crawfish etouffee. Let's stir her up real quick. Yes, sir. So I'm still going to let it cook down some more because it's still, yeah, that's how it's going to look. So again, that's up to your preference. Boom. Plated it up. Add a little cinnamon on top of my crescent rolls, okay?